The latest estimates find that there are only about 3,200 tigers left in the world living in the wild. Peggy Pico gives us the first look at two tiger cubs born in San Diego and explains how they might help save the species from extinction.
This is Joanne, a curious, blue-eyed, 8-week-old Sumatran tiger cub, and her shy twin sister, Majel. While we're inside their den, the cub's mother, 12-year-old Delta, inspects her outdoor enclosure at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, formerly called the Wild Animal Park.
Here at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, we have Sumatran tigers. And Sumatran tigers are now from 200 to 300 left in the wild.
Randy Rikas, curator of mammals at the park, says there's been a rapid and catastrophic decline of all wild tigers. Their numbers plunged more than 95% over the past century. Since 1900, the global tiger population has dropped from 100,000 to about 3,200.
All species of tigers could actually go extinct in our lifetime.
Global conservation efforts are underway. The latest is from Russian Prime Minister Vladimir Putin. He committed to doubling the Siberian tiger population by 2022.
A lot of us in field research just hope that it's not too little too late.
It's a daunting task. The Global Tiger Recovery Program estimates 13 nations will need $350 million to get the program started. This sign above Mother Delta's enclosure explains the pending demise of her kind in just 3 bullet points: illegal hunting and poaching, deforestation leading to the loss of prey or food supply.
So now they don't have the forest cover, they don't have the prey species, and makes it almost impossible for them to exist.
We need to route them to the different spaces.
Animal care supervisor Autumn Nelson hopes the park's genetic matched breeding program will help wild tigers recover.
Our program here at the Safari Park is very beneficial to tigers and their conservation. Breeding this critically endangered animal is helping their efforts.
Joanne and Majel were born to genetically matched parents. Genetic pairing is important because with so few tigers left, the gene pool has drastically shrunk. This can lead to offspring who are at risk of deformities and increased risk of diseases.
The best pair isn't always a compatible pair. So you have to look at what their behavior is and look at that versus what the genetics are. Match those two.
The match paid off with these cubs, which, like many newborns, offer hope for the future. These two Sumatran cubs are 8 weeks old. If world conservation efforts are super successful, habitats are restored and poaching eradicated, tigers like these could be released back into the wild. In the meantime, Safari Park is expanding its tiger exhibit to accommodate more cubs.
Instead of one exhibit, we're going to have 3 large enclosures. So when you come to the new tiger exhibits at the park, you will be in an environment where there'll be animals on both sides of you in a very densely foliated habitat. You will be in their wild environment.
Which will include viewing ponds where tigers, unlike most cats, like to swim. Joanne and Majel are still several weeks away from enjoying a swim or making a maiden voyage outside the den, content for now to sleep safely away from extinction.
The tiger cubs will be introduced to the public at Safari Park around the end of January after they've received all of their vaccinations.